Hello YouTube, we're back out here at Linwood Marina. I don't know what time it is, it's probably 8:30 again.
It's actually 8:21.
It's 8:21. Right now the wind is approximately 15 miles per hour, 10 to 15. It's kind of blowing us offshore, but we've got the power. We can fight it. It's a lot windier than we thought. I thought it was 15 miles per hour, but it's actually more like 20, 25. Oh, okay. Oh. All right. Hi. All right, this whole boat is lit up. Here you go.
I don't know how to juggle.
I can juggle too, okay? Guess you got it. Get out of here, boom! Plantar surgery by glow stick. Now we have a shelter erected around the boom, and you know what? I'll vlog. We set up our beds. I have mine halfway inside of the cuddy cabin, and when I'm ready to sleep, it'll stretch out onto the floor. We have the other bed set up on one of the benches. It's supported by buckets, and it's got these flotation devices to add extra cushion. We also set up this mosquito net, and we're just about ready to start cooking some food. Don't want to add too much water. It'll take absolutely forever to boil.
Bro. Dude dropped the cap in there.
Not much ice left, but okay. All right. This mosquito net's getting in the way.
Ah! What is that? A mosquito?
It's horrible because it doesn't have any seasoning.
I thought it was pretty good.
All right, so we didn't bring any spices, but we did bring a sauce. Soy sauce. Try just a little bit of it. Just a little bit of flavor. Squirts everywhere. Yeah, it's more flavorful than it was before, so. Oh, it's so good. That about sums up our food for the night. The time is now 12:30 and the wind has died down a little bit. We've got the bug lights hanging from the ceiling. Got 2 of them because you can never have enough. Dude, it's just, I look so evil. I'm really tired and I'm not sure what else to say, so I'm just gonna go to bed and I'll see you in the morning. Have your glow sticks back. Take them all.
I don't even mind.
Take them all. I had a terrible sleep. First of all, having a tarp for a canopy is a terrible idea. It's extremely loud even when the wind is calm. The halyards were making quite a bit of noise as well. Temperature is 62 degrees Fahrenheit. It is seriously chilly. It's time to layer up. Everybody's up now, and I finally got my fishing rod set up. Saw some splashing in the reeds over there. I didn't catch anything fishing, and we're gonna head back to Linwood. We have the trolling motor and the jib providing thrust coming into Linwood. Fishermen coming out. We went estate sailing and I picked up this cool blunderbuss. So today wasn't a total blunder bust.